Guys, welcome back. These are list of airdrops for December season greetings. We have participating exclusive crypto airdrops. These are CoinMarketCap full list of all the airdrops on CoinMarketCap. So you want to check out these airdrops for overview, ongoing airdrops, upcoming airdrops. We have ended airdrops. You can also check out airdrops that you've participated to see the list. So we have a Lepasad first list here. LEPA tokens, LEPA tokens. You can see about 3 million people have participated in this. So the thing with these airdrops is that most times they are usually winners are usually randomly selected, so your chances are still there. You have upcoming airdrops. These the end dates. These ones are upcoming ones. This one is coming up. So the Genic airdrop coming up 7 hours from now. We have the ones that will be coming up in 19 hours from now, December 21st. So you want to take note of these dates, set your alarm, and be on track. Try and participate. Sometimes you might get the upper edge when you jump on first, but most times they are usually randomly selected. So we have a Radio Kaka. These are airdrops, list of airdrops that have ended. So you want to check out these airdrops just in case you might you participated in them to check their delivery distribution timeline. So guys, you can see we have Battle Hero, Honest. We have about 8 ongoing airdrops and 3 upcoming airdrops. The ended airdrops are so many. There are so many, guys. About 341. I think there are even more than that. But in total, you're looking about 1,000 of these airdrops. So it says here, top goal, wolf safe, poor people, about 4,846. That's the one that has the highest participation. So it's probably 1 day left. They're giving out 110 million WSPP tokens. This one is for 25,000 NFTs. 13 days left. So guys, the thing is that we'll be dropping a link, a video later on to this on how to participate in these airdrops. But meanwhile, it's usually very basic and easy. You just need to have an account with CMC, complete the social media task, follow them, and try and be as active as possible, and you're good to go. That's the major qualifications. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. For disclaimer purposes, these are just airdrop updates. We do not recommend you purchasing any of the tokens unless you've done your own research and you feel like you want to invest in the project. If and that's only when you can go ahead with it. So we don't give financial advices to push through with buying and tokens. So guys, that's it. Peace out. Stay safe. Your back keys.